Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of the trash picked dewalt miter saw. I already have the new handle put on. All I had to do was feed the wires for the new switch through and just screw it on, so that was easy enough. I didn't feel like I needed to film that, but I have my new brush holders, so I'm going to show you all how to put them in. First off, you're going to need a big flat blade screwdriver to get the old brush cap off. These brushes were not working too well. These are knockoffs, and it looked like it was actually kind of boiling the material off. So those are going away. I'll probably just file 13 those, throw it right in the trash. Then we can grab a smaller flat blade, or one that has a very fine tip. There's a gap right here. You just want to put it in there and shoehorn it out. It's just got two little male spade connectors on there, so you would gingerly place that aside. You line up your new ones and just pop them in. Alright, so you just take it, line it up with the slot, push it in, and you can take something with like a rubber handle like a screwdriver and just tap it on down until you have the same thin gap. You could also take a flashlight and make sure the spades went in, but usually they go in, so that's good. Next, I can install the brushes. These feel a lot better. These just have a feeling of cheapness. This feels like pencil graphite. This feels extremely cheap. As a matter of fact, I think it is. But this has a much firmer, heavier feel to it. So I feel a lot better about running these. Plus, it's actual dewalt. Those are questionable at best. Alright, when you're putting the brushes in, they just slide all the way down against the commutator. You have this little tip, and there's also a hole in the center of this. So it will go into that, so it won't go off kilter, won't slide around on you. Then you can put your cap on. And don't tighten it down too much because you'll chip the plastic. It's a high temp plastic and it chips real easy. So whenever you feel it stop, you stop twisting. There. Just repeat on the other side. Alright, as y'all can see, I actually washed off all the dirt and the dirt dauber nests, and when I did that, the adjustment started working. That's amazing, because I was kind of afraid that had corroded into just one piece. It was extremely solid. Yeah. Loosen that up and get the cord out of the way. Then we can grab the most essential thing in every man's garage. A 2x4, and see if it'll cut, because I don't even know if this blade is sharp. It just came out of the trash with this blade, so oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm gonna do that a couple more times. Manliness, yes. I have made wood pieces. Excellent. And it even cleaned some rust off the blade. Alright, I guess I'm going to put the brush cap back on, just the decorative dewalt cap. And this thing will be done. Completely done. So, get my flat blade, put my screws back in. Just one quick overview. New brushes, new brush holder, new handle, new switch, new handle hardware. Wow, it is hot in this garage. Check it out, it is getting quite hot in Texas. Especially in this garage. Of course, that is mostly humidity. Let me know what you think of the saw. All in, it cost me about 80 bucks, and I have a dust bag coming too, so that has not yet shown up. So I will be blowing all of the wood shavings out of my garage door after editing this. So, stay tuned for more. I have another project waiting outside, so I'm going to go get started filming that, and I will see you guys next time.